dyno's coming along. Did a lot of work to this thing. These labels, I'm gonna redo these because they're a little bit kind of crooked looking to me. I tried to put them on some plastic and had a little trouble, but they'll do for now. And I put the little Weschler meter in there, and I'm waiting on my shunt. I got a 2000 amp 100 millivolt shunt because this thing takes 100 millivolts shunt. And on the back here, I added some signal taps. The reason why I added signal taps is because I want to be able to hook it to the scope and or the DD1 so we can see 1% distortion. So I don't know, I guess I'm gonna have to make something, have this close by, because I want to be able to see it all, y'all see it all when I get this thing going. And I even thought about taking this apart and putting it in like a little project box like that, but I don't know. This SMD stuff is not exactly cheap. And I got the wire in to put this on the 4 5,000 watt resistors at 4 ohms. And also I got the number 2 wire in. Let's see. Y'all excuse my garage, it's a mess. So that's number 2 welding lead, AWG number 2. Let's see if we can see it on here. Yep, right there, number 2. And I like Temco wire. It's all copper, and I find it cheaper than raw X-Lane, but I've had raw X-Lane. This stuff looks just like raw X-Lane. It's probably made in the same Chinese plant, I don't know. Anyways, I got to get all that hooked up. I got a box for the 240 volts. I ordered this because it screws to the stud, because I got to go through that paneling. But this thing's kind of like Bakelite, man. I hope it holds up. I think it might put some pookie right there up against the beam and screw it, kind of keep it from whatever. Anyways, that's the updates. I got some lithium batteries coming, and they should be here, I don't know, maybe Tuesday. And it's a big bank. It's like over 200 amp hour. And then I guess when money becomes available, I'll get some 4-aught to go from the batteries up to the top. I'm gonna have some taps up here, and then I'm gonna have to have some 2-aught for the charger. But that's it. I did take this little cover off, and I got all the paint off, and I taped it off, and I repainted it because some of the original paint was coming off. It's clear under there. Sanded it with some 2000 grit and put the same color paint I put on here and here, just kind of keep the contrast good and everything kind of matching so it's easy to see. So that's the updates. I'll post next time I get some more stuff going.